I swear, Samsung, it's over. It's over, Samsung. It's over. OnePlus and Oppo are destroying your company in the foldable phone industry. They're absolutely annihilating you every chance they get. So, look at that. The iPad Pro M4. There was a time when the iPad Pro M4 seemed like the thinnest device possible. And then Oppo Find N5 came out. And yeah. It's GG. It's absolutely GG. That is insane that this is real life. I mean, it's not half the size. It's like probably 0.5 times smaller. But it is so freaking insane. And we've been talking about this over the last week. Summary of known Find N5 stuff. It does have a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, 80 gigabytes of wireless charging. 50 watts of wireless charging, 80 watts of wired charging. It has an IPX9, which ends up being an IP69 rating. 3D printed titanium alloy hinge, triple camera with periscope, side fingerprint. The thinnest phone to advertise thinness of less than 9.2 millimeters. The lightest phone not advertised weight less than 219 grams. Find N5, yeah, we looked at these images yesterday. I just don't understand how Samsung competes anymore. I mean, Google is about to hit a grand slam. And we haven't heard much about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. There hasn't been any rumors or leaks mainly because Oppo's phone's coming out in February. So this Find N5 is coming out next month. So that's why we're seeing all these leaks. But the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, that's not coming out until August. Now, the OnePlus Open 2 isn't going to come out also till August. But that's just a rebranded version of the Oppo. So we're seeing all these images right now of Oppo because they're about to release next month. So that's also a factor, but don't sleep on the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold because that phone's also going to be massively a W. It's just the fact that this is, right now about to release. So this is the biggest thing. But it's also because the Z Fold 7... it's just going to be underwhelming. That's another factor. It's like there's so many negative factors toward the Z Fold device this year that there's a lot of people saying the Z Fold 8 is going to be where Samsung tries to come back and not to buy the Z Fold 7, which I have to see the full spec list and the full everything for the Z Fold 7 before I completely cancel it and write it off. Because right now, at this moment in time, we're just going off leaks and rumors, and you already know that. Take it with a grain of salt, as always, unless it's proven. But it is hard to find myself defending the Z Fold 7 with how bad everything looks so far. I'm just going to hold out hope that Samsung does a really, really great 180 and gives us a lot better of a situation. But it is a interesting situation, I will say, moving forward. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. OnePlus Open 2. It's going to be a grand slam, which... peace out.